Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Friha Shahzad, SS English, Divisional Public School and College, Sahiwal. Today, the topic for this lesson is the poem No. We will discuss all the important points so that you would be able to grasp the main points and answer the questions appropriately. As far as the learning objectives are concerned, by the end of the lessons, students will be able to grasp the main idea of the poem, know the importance of comprehension, develop critical thinking, develop the skill to become independent learners, answer the given questions appropriately. Before moving forward, let's discuss the main idea of the poem. In this poem, we learn that the poem is about the month of November. The name of this month starts with no. The word no is repeated throughout the poem, describing various aspects of the poem. It makes the title of the poem a good one. We can see that the mood of the poem is sad. This poem refers to negation of each and everything in general. However, the end is cheerful. Dear students, I have designed an exercise for you and you are supposed to answer the questions. Comprehension exercise, understanding the poem. Answer the questions. Okay. Question A is, in what way the title of the poem a good one? Students, think about it. Answer, the title is good one because it is reflected in every line of the poem, including last line, that is November. The negative word no tells us that everything is coming to end. Okay, next question. Is there rhyme scheme to the poem? Answer is, there is no rhyming scheme to the poem. Some of lines are rhyming couplets, but there is not constant. Next question. Which words in the poem tell us about the following? The first one is times of the day. Now let's discuss. In the time of the day, the poet describes morn, noon, dawn, dusk, proper time of day, and afternoon. Our next point is road, in which roads, the other side of the way, row, crescents, way, and ring. Motion or interaction. Motion or interaction includes recognitions, courtesies, showing, knowing, traveling, locomotion inkling, notion, go mail, post, news, cheerfulness, healthful ease, and comfortable feel. Weather conditions and geographical features. It includes sun, moon, sky, earthly view, land, ocean, coast, path, shade, and shine. Living creatures and plants. People, butterflies, bees, fruits, flowers, leaves, birds. Okay, next question. Question D is, how would you describe the general picture painted by the poet? Is it cheerful one? Answer is, the poem describes a month November. There are a lot of negatives indicated by no. However, he does this in cheerful way. So the poem is not depressing or sad. The poet manages to make it cheerful. Question E is, do you think the poet has good sense of humor and why? Answer is, the rhyming couplets, the use of same word, start each line, all help to make it cheerful. The last line shows he has humor. Okay, come to the next point. Answer the following questions with reference to the context. Question A. What is meant by other side the way? Answer is, it means the other side of the road. Question B. Why do you think the phrase no go is put in inverted commas while others, for example, no mail, are not? Is there any other expression in inverted commas? Answer is simple, because it is what was said by transport authorities. Question C is, what does the ring refer to? The ring is circular course in Hyde Park in London, used for riding and driving. Question D is, comment on phrase no afternoon gentility. Answer is, gentility refers to the people who are courteous and well-mannered. Okay, we have completed our exercise. Now, the task of the day is, I have designed an exercise for you. Now read the sentences and choose the correct option. Okay, question 1. Who is the poet of the poem? Ogden Nash, Thomas Hood, Wordsworth, and Robert Williams Service. Question 2. Which word in the poem tells us about the time of the day? Crescent, summer, dusk, or cost? Question 3. Which month is described in the poem? October, March, December, or November? Question 4 is, where is Hyde Park? London, America, Canada, or Australia? Question 5. The last line in the poem shows that the poet has irony, fun, satire, or humor. Okay, thank you, students.